So I used a wire puller and a wire snake, and I'm pushing the wire snake puller up through the conduit out up here. I did lube it up with some dielectric grease. I'm now going to tie a string from that, and I will pull the cable. I will tie this to the end of the string, and then I will pull it back up through here. Once I pull the string, I'll pull the string back into here, so I'll have a piece of string inside here, and then I'll pull the wire from here with the string back up into here, so I can have the end of the wire up here for the camera. I hope that makes sense. So right now, this is running the wrong direction. The wire needs to be pulled from this way to this way. So to do that, there was no way I could snake this going that direction. It was a lot easier to snake this through going that. So now I'll tie a string to this, so that way I can pull the cable for the camera up and into here, up into the hatch. Okay, so now I've pulled the string through, so now I'll be able to tie the string around to the end of the camera cable. Okay, so now to chase the wire up under here, back up to this hole, I just ran some, I could have used the electrical snake, but instead I went ahead and just used some trimmer wire from my weed whacker, so I was able to put a hook on it so I could hook it right back down, so I could easily get it back down there without distorting this. I already got a little bit of a dent on that, but that'll be tucked up and held in place, but be really careful. Now, I would strongly suggest investing in this tool, so when you're trying to pull the ceiling down, you can use this tool. If I can get it on here, if I can get it in there. Where's it on this thing? So you really want to use that tool to be able to pull this down from the ceiling without breaking it. So now I'm just going to tie a string to the end of this and pull my wire through underneath the ceiling of the car back to this hole, then tie the string to this to pull it up into here, and then I'll take this, I'm going to take all this off so I can then pull the wire and have it poke out here. Now that I've got it tied to that, I'm just going to pull it right on through. String going through there, which is a lot easier to pull, and it's a lot easier to tie the cable to the camera too. That way I don't have to use tape or worry about tape slipping off. Okay, so now that I have it tied on there, I can just pull it up to here. Probably not going to do this on camera, so I can put my hand. Push the wire up in there and then pull it out with the string. So now I've got it up inside the ceiling, and now all I have to do is tie this string to this to pull it up into here. So I'll tie this string that runs inside this conduit to the end of the cable and pull it through up into here. Then I'll have the cable up in here. Then I'll have the cable up inside here, and then I can mount my camera. Okay, I did screw up. I caught it before I pulled it through. I need to have the string on the other side of this gusset, or I should say snap ring, so to be able to So I've got the wire now going up, coming through here, going up through this conduit. I pulled it through with this wire, and then I lubed it up pretty nicely, so it pulled through so easily. Now the last little bit, all I have to do is just tuck the wire up through this ring, and then up inside here. I'll just pull these panels down. That'll be the next step, is to pull these panels off. Okay, this top panel came off pretty easy. It just had 2 clips there, 2 round ones here, another one there, and then 2 other clips. So right here, 2 clips in the end. Pretty easily. Once again, I strongly suggest using that tool. It's nice when you're trying to pull these off. You can pry it back so it doesn't break the plastic.